Here I have LARK Evolution X2 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer right here. Let's activate keypad and let's use all secret codes that you know. At first, let's start by using the following one: star hash 4636 hash star. And the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose tablet information at first, and you can read all important stuff about your tablet, for example the email number, phone number, current network location, GSM service. You can run a ping test, turn off the radio, tap more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, get PDP list or enable data connection. Let's go back. You may also choose battery information, when you can read such things as battery status, power plug, battery level, and for example the battery temperature. You may also go back and choose usage statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications from your device, and you can read such things as usage time and the counter. Let's go back and let me choose the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks or get connection info. Let's go back. You may also choose Wi-Fi config, and here you've got all configured networks from your device. You can also choose from the following menu Wi-Fi status, and here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Let me go back. Let's close the testing menu by using a back arrow a couple of times, and now it's time to open the calendar info. So let's use star hash 225 hash star, and the calendar information just pops up. Here you can read the events from contacts, from your country, from PC synchronization, and for example from your Google account. Let me go back, and now let's open the Google Play Services mode. Let's use star hash 426 hash star. As you can see, Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, events or status. Let me go back a couple of times, and this time let me open the debug UI. So let's use star hash 759 hash star, and the debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs right here. You can change OEM mode. You can also go back and you may check the email number by using a secret code. So let's use star hash 06 hash, and the email mode just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.